So would you like to set a live wallpaper on your home screen or lock screen just like this one? Grab your seat and keep this video to the end because I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to do it using TikTok. Now as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now go to your TikTok search and then type in live wallpaper. Make sure that you type in live wallpaper. Go ahead and scroll on the results they have brought you. Make sure that you scroll until you find that live wallpaper you would like to use, any one of your choice, and then go ahead and choose that live wallpaper. So let's go with this one. Just press on the wallpaper you would like to use. Go ahead and press on it. And right here is the wallpaper. You can see how it looks like. Go ahead and press on the share button. Make sure that you press on the share button of that very video you would like to set as a live wallpaper. After pressing on the share button, scroll to this side and then press on set as wallpaper. After pressing on set as wallpaper, they'll bring you to this page that tells you to install the wallpaper plug-in. Make sure that you press on install. Once you press on install, it is going to bring you on Play Store. Make sure that you install that TikTok live wallpaper app so that you can use TikTok live wallpaper. It's not that hard. It doesn't take too much data, just like that. After installing, make sure that you press on open. Make sure that you press on open. Now after opening, it is going to bring you to this page. Make sure that you press right here on open TikTok to set wallpaper. Now it's going to bring you to this page. Make sure that you press on find wallpapers or choose the one app that you have already chosen. Make sure that you press on one app that you have already chosen. It is going to download like that. And after downloading, it is going to bring you to this page and then press set as wallpaper. Make sure that you press on that button, set as wallpaper. And then press on set to wallpaper. And right here it is asking whether you can set as home screen or lock screen wallpaper. Make sure that you choose any of your choice and then you are done setting your wallpaper. Let's see how the wallpaper looks like. Right there is my live wallpaper. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.